here, 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 and right there. So let's get 1 tube per hand. This is just a little alcohol swab. And then let's pinch right there. Get started. 3, 2, 1. So a little bolus is delivered underneath. And then let's massage that out. You doing okay?
Oh, I'm doing fine.
Perfect.
Look it.
Yeah.
Wow.
We'll get there.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Yeah, so I always just kind of go a little bit slower. Just a little bit. And just massage in.
Think there'll be a lot of bruising.
Doubt it. Nope. Yeah, so just in that subacute pain.
Oh my gosh, this is unbelievable.
Oh yeah, it totally works. And it's a little lumpy bumpy for a day or two, and then that disappears and all the fibroblast activity really kicks off. Perfect. How you holding up, my friend?
I'm doing great. Oh my gosh.
You see the difference?
Wow.
So you're hiding all of the structure.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow it'll start to blossom.